Hey guys, welcome to my channel, it's Idorenyin Hope. Thank you so much for tuning in. If it's your first time, welcome. I hope you'll enjoy being part of the Idorenyin Hope family. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this quick and easy updo. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. So step 1, create a side parting. I went for a part on my left side. We're gonna create a chunky, not so entirely neat 2-strand flat twist going backwards across the right hand side of my face. So to flat twist, you just need 2 strands of hair that you're constantly, twisting going backwards. As you twist, you take extra strands of hair. It would be like a 3-strand braid. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to do a proper video tutorial of how to do a 2-strand flat twist. Continue flat twisting until you get to just, at the bottom of that one side. So my first idea was to do another chunky flat twist on the opposite side, but I did not like how it looked, so I undid that. And this is basically how I come up with my styles. I have an idea in mind and then tweak it as the actual product comes to life if I don't really like it. So get rid of that flat twist. Instead, decided to tie a ponytail with the remaining loose hair. So a nice ponytail at the back, including the the hanging twist that is left from the chunky twist I've done on the right hand side. So with our ponytail, we're going to create a chunky bun. So using the hair in the ponytail, create 4 loose twists. Once you have your twists done, we're going to pin them in a pinwheel fashion to create our chunky bun. Fix the hair as to your liking, so pin the bun into place. So I didn't like that the little bit of the bun was sticking out from the edge of my left ear, so that is what the extra bobby pins were for. So you just pin the style to frame your face. And that's it. We have our beautiful chunky twist, chunky bun updo. And that's it, giving you my regal wave. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers this year, guys. If you've loved what you saw in this video, why not check out these other video recommendations? Go ahead, you know you want to.